Good morning, students. Now let us start our science class with the revision of the new lesson number 3, safety and first aid. So, in this chapter, first topic is safety. So, what is the meaning of the safety? Safety, it means safety is a state in which or a place where you are safe and not in danger or at a risk. So, you know, accidents can happen anywhere, like at a school, at home, playground or road. But mostly the causes of the accident is hurry and when we are carelessness or lack of attention to the work being done. So, accidents are mostly two types. Some accidents are minor accidents but some accidents are major accidents. Minor accidents like someone slipping and falling on the ground or someone cutting his and her finger while chopping the vegetables. So, these are the minor accidents. And major accidents like sometimes major accidents also take place like a car or a bus accidents or a building catching fire. So, this is a major accidents. Like wherever it is a major or minor, it hurts people. So, accidents can be avoided by following safety rules. So, you have to learn some safety rules in previous classes. Now, can you recall them? So, here some pictures are given. First picture is show a girl is holding a matchsticks and she is getting burned by the matchsticks. So, this is what we should do. So, in this picture show that do not play with fire or matchsticks. And second picture show the children are going to make a lines in the school stairs. This picture is show that do not play or run on the stairs. And next picture is show that use zebra crossing while crossing the road. And last picture is show that a boy eat banana and after that throw a banana peels. So, accidents occur due to our carelessness. So, accidents can be avoided by taking precautions by following safety rules. So, let us learn about the safety rules. First, safety rules on road. In previous class, you have to learn about how to cross the road, traffic signals or zebra crossing. But here are some traffic signals display on the road. So, we should follow the road sign or traffic sign while driving or walking. So, first road sign is no entry. No entry, it means you do not have to go on here. Next road sign is stop. Stop traffic signal show that you have to stop here, do not go ahead. Third road sign is no parking. No parking, it means no, you have to parking your vehicles like car, motorcycles, etc. here. And next traffic signal is pedestrian. Pedestrian is means पैदल चलने वाले. So there are people walking on foot here. So take your car slow. And next traffic signal is no honking. No honking, it means here is not allowed to do sound. And last traffic signals show go slow. Go slow, it means if you are going fast, you are going too slow. So, these are the traffic signals. And next, safety from fire. So, a fire can cause severe damages to the lives and properties. And it is due to the various reason like handling firecrackers, matchsticks, kerosene stoves and candles carelessly, and by electric short circuit or other faults, and by leakage from the gas cylinder in the kitchen or in the factories. So, these are the various reasons. for the fire. So, we can avoid this situation by taking the following steps. First step is we should be careful while handling firecrackers, kerosene stove, matchsticks and candles. Next is we should not wear nylon or synthetic cloths while cooking in the kitchen because nylon or synthetic cloths catches fire easily. So we should never wear nylon or synthetic cloths while cooking in the kitchen. Always wear the cotton cloths. Next is we should check the electrical wiring and fitting regularly. Next, in case of a gas leakage in the kitchen, so we should open all the windows and doors immediately. And next is we should not lit a matchstick or switch on the lights. It may catch fire easily. Next is we should install a fire extinguisher at home and in the big building. So what is the meaning of the fire extinguisher? Fire extinguisher, it means fire extinguisher are devices to put out fires. They contain carbon dioxide, gas or foam. So the gas or foam surrounds the fire and put is off cutting off the air supply. So it is a fire extinguisher. And sometimes a person can catch fire his and her clothes. In such a case, she should not run around. She should roll on the ground and her body should be covered with a blanket to put off the flame because oxygen is needed for a fire to burn. If a person runs around to comes in contact with more oxygen and the fire grows. So ask him to stop and drop to the ground. Wrap in a blanket to cut off the supply of oxygen and roll him on the ground. It will put out the fire. Next is how to handle fire break. So in case of a major fire in building, so we should dial 101 to call the fire service immediately. Next is in case of a minor fire, so it can be put out by the fire extinguishers. And if the fire occurs due to the electrical faults, so we can put out by the using the sand or fire extinguishers because in this case water should never be used because electric current can pass through the water and people around can be electrocuted. And next is for fire due to the petrol or kerosene oil, throw sand to put off the air supply to the fire. Water should never be used in this case because the fire will then spread faster. So that's all for today. Keep revising.